Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a digital journal using Notion or Canva. So here is a step-by-step guide. You will just follow and see it. So using Notion, you will just step one is create a new page which is already opened, and you will just give them name like my digital journal. So you will just give them name and you will just create like you will just choose a template which is from here bottom, and you will just choose a journal template from Notion's template gallery. So I will just search for it like journal, and let's see. So here is the free, so I will just tab on it like this one. So I will just tab on it add. So once you will just choose the template, so you will just add a key section, use heading, toggles or checklist to organize. So number one is there. I will just give them name like my journals, and I will just write over. You will just simply organize it like the template is on. And if you want to using Canva, so you will just move in Canva. So you will just simply type in the search bar for digital journal templates. Basically you will just choose the blank design or pre-made template, include sections like daily entries, monthly goals, mood tracker. Use Canva elements easily like this one, but this is in pro version, so you will just find the free version template and you will just easy use to it. So in this way you can just use and create digital journal using Notion, AI or Canva. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.